Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya and welcome to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. Shehnaaz Gill has been trending a lot these days, so I decided to recreate this blush pink makeup look of hers, which is not only super fresh but also very feminine. That's it for the video. Let me know if you'd like to try this look out in the comment section below. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm X Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!